What's up, everybody? Rob here. You're watching another episode of Man vs.
Corinne versus the holidays.
Oh my god, that time of year again. Comes around every year.
Around this time.
Yeah. Went to the store, picked up a ton of gingerbread house kits. Supernatural left the comment of building a gingerbread shot glass.
So we're taking it back to the ThreadBanger roots and making edible shot glasses for the holidays.
Boom.
Honestly, those were my favorite videos. I miss watching the movies and doing the little drinking game. We haven't done that in a very long time.
Speaking of drinking games, I decided that since we have been on YouTube for now approximately almost 13 Christmases, we're gonna take a look back at all of the old ThreadBanger Christmas specials.
Wow.
Yeah, and just kind of take shots and get f***ed up.
Let's get started, shall we?
Ugh.
Shaking the whole goddamn table.
All right, Mr. Scrooge. Jesus Christ. Half my shot glass is already made, which is kind of the crazy part of it all. Damn. I'm already feeling real good about this.
What's your plan of making this round?
Who says that a shot glass is round? F***ing round rules all of a sudden.
So you're just trying to get around that fact that...
And there's plenty of square shot glasses in this world, is what I'm saying. All right, busting out the icing here, because I'm at that stage already. This takes a long time to dry. Oh, god damn it. Oh.
You having some problems? This is how you do this the right way.
Oh, have you tasted that icing?
Have you tasted this dick?
Wow.
Oh yeah, bitch.
Oh yeah, here it is. Oh, this is looking good. How you doing over there? Not so great, huh?
What? What are you talking about? It's amazing. I'm just not talking as much shit as you because I'm busy at work.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I would love to see that thing hold liquid.
How's that going over there?
Figuring it out. We have a solid structure.
All right, I'm pretty finished with mine. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, god damn it. Oh yeah. With that little candy cane right there. Yeah, I know. I saw your shit. You think those little f***ing drippy icicles are gonna fucking win you this fucking championship?
Yep.
We'll see. Where the f*** did all my candy canes go? Oh, son of a bitch.
What?
You took all my candy canes.
No. I took 2 candy canes.
All these candy canes are broken. What the f***?
Oh, did you get a broken one? That sucks.
How you doing over there?
Pretty good.
The f*** is that?
Gingerbread house shot glass. This could be the most useful gingerbread house I've ever built.
I like that little idea with the little tower ends.
Oh, you can't take that.
Pretty.
So what is yours exactly?
It's a giant shot glass, because here on YouTube you can call anything giant, and it's a thing.
You definitely get points off for not making it shot glass sized.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know what else to do to mine. I'm finished. I feel my heart racing.
Why?
All this f***ing icing. How can you not lick it off?
Gross. I mean, mine looks pretty cute. I did a version of a shot glass that is the appropriate size of a shot glass.
Who knows, how large of a shot one actually needs or wants.
We're gonna fill this with some whiskey, and then we're gonna watch you drink it all.
What you're threatening me?
I'm
Is that what this is?
There's past videos where you can't really handle your liquor so much.
Past.
Not only did I create something that will hold alcohol, but it's also cute. I think it's, if you touch it one more time, you just
I didn't touch, I didn't do, oh.
What is that? Yours just looks like
a Game of Thrones tower or
maybe
something.
that's what it is.
Oh, so you went the gingerbread house shot glass. Yours looks like a little house, like a little gingerbread house.
That's
you
right.
Fucking little piece of shit.
Isn't it cute?
I mean, I can just get a little. Watch this.
No, you can't steal.
Gingerbread house. All right, we gotta let these dry now until tomorrow, when we can actually utilize them, see if they hold liquids, and then we see which one is the best gingerbread shot glass house of them all. All right, we'll see you then tomorrow, which is really right now. in YouTube time. Boom, and there we are, huh? And these things are dried magically.
They look pretty good. I'm still a little peeved that you stole my idea, but that's okay. I'm gonna get over that because you're gonna have to drink all of this whiskey out of this vessel here.
Yeah, we're mixing some shots.
No.
We got the eggnog here, we got the whiskey. We're gonna do ourselves a little tipsy bartending.
Oh, is that a shout out?
I don't know. Fuck that guy.
Speaking of YouTube friends,
Oh, yeah, right?
we got our merch just in time for this video.
I didn't order this shit, that's for goddamn sure.
This is the moment of truth, actually.
Yeah.
Because will it hold liquid?
I know.
I know that mine will hold liquid because I did a really good job sealing all the joints. Sealing the joints.
What are you talking what?
But on further inspection, because I've been inspecting the competition here, and your joints don't look so sealed.
What are you talking about?
You didn't get in there and like push it in.
Oh, I got in there and pushed it in. This is not my first rodeo.
I'm excited about this. Okay, here we go. We will see if it holds liquid.
Holy night.
It's holding the liquid.
I mean, look at this, folks.
Happy holidays.
Let's see how this holds up right here. You ready for this?
Oh God, please don't waste good whiskey.
Oh, that's a good couple ounces in there.
Ooh.
Oh, no.
Give it a second.
I don't have to.
We did it.
That's it.
Cheers.
Happy goddamn holidays. Here we go.
That
Oh,
is
and this
kinda-
thing pokes me in the eye when I'm f***ing drinking it? How are you guys supposed to drink out of this f***ing bullshit?
It's like this. I gotta take one of these off, and I'm gonna do a corner.
Ah! Woo! Happy f***ing holidays.
Ooh, it's very strong.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to get
Yeah.
to the nog. Here we go. Here, yeah. Oh, uh-oh.
We have the first leak.
Oh no! We gotta get through this faster than I thought. Time to watch old ThreadBanger holiday videos and take shots. I haven't seen some of these in a decade. Some of you aren't even a decade old. So let's pull some up. This first one is from 2007.
Wow.
Oh, look at this, we're getting an ad! Thank the
Wow.
Lord. Oh, look,
Remember that?
Ew. This was a...
Why is my voice so annoying? Hey, why do I have a sweet potato?
Oh, are you making a satanic star? God, we were fucking hardcore. Oh, take no...
This is terrible. Oh, look,
Oh,
these
wow.
were solid.
Uh-huh.
I gave these to people 1 year for Christmas.
That video was 2 minutes and 24 seconds long.
I cringed at least 800 times.
Oh, we didn't even take shots at all. Like, the whole idea was that we take shots every time we cringe. We didn't even play
I
the
would be wasted.
game. Moving on to the next video here.
Oh, an ad.
Another one with an ad.
We
Oh,
should
this-
take a shot every time we see an ad. Cheers.
Hey.
Wait, there's nothing in mine.
Here we go.
What?
What the You look like Hermione Granger, second year of Hogwarts.
Why are we only watching my videos?
This is a broke for the holidays.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
But I don't
What a
have money to spend
did
on
shit.
overpriced soulless Christmas.
I mean, this is like, how long ago?
This is 28 years ago on YouTube. Moving on.
My
Basil.
cup has not leaked, by the way.
No, mine's a fucking house. I gotta fucking drink
Why don't
this
you
straight
not
up. Here
drink
we
it out
go.
of there?
What's up, DIYers? I'm Corinne, and this is my co-host, Mr. Nuts. Hey guys, I want to crack your nuts.
Where you going? Where'd it go? Oh, keeping it up with the red Christmas tree.
I would like to, for the record, say I had a red Christmas tree before.
That fucking Ivanka bitch did. Fuck that.
It's not a fucking...
Oh man, we have literally just been making videos in our apartment and fucking fucking not talking to anybody for a decade. Cheers.
Merry Christmas.
Oh.
Thanks for making me do this. Oh my god, yours is terrible. Mine has not leaked at all, I would like to say.
This thing's That's it. That's all we can do.
Is it good?
Oh, it's delicious.
Yeah, mine is still pretty solid. So if you want to vote on the best gingerbread alcohol vessel,
I'll give it to you. I'm sure they'll give it to you.
yeah, we all knew that was gonna happen.
Did we?
I did.
Do us a favor. Subscribe.
That. Subscribe to PewDiePie.
That's a good idea. We'll see you around here next time. Eat my dick.
What?
What?
I didn't sign off on that.